We are thrilled this season to introduce our latest Circa planner in partnership with Dr. Kristen Race, a neuroscience-based productivity expert. The beautiful thing about Circa is that it's entirely customizable. The beautiful thing about this planner is that it breaks down all of the elements to guarantee success in all that you desire to achieve. Let's take a little look through at how this works. You start with an anytime start seasonal focus. What do you want to work on? Next are key events and daily rituals that you want to keep track of and not forget. Birthdays, trips, holidays, whatever your heart desires. Last, you identify your monthly goals and set those goals and write them down. Start your day with a planner, not with your phone. Don't ever forget yourself. The 3 for Me page, make sure that you're tracking your self-care habits. One of my favorite pages. The brain dump to-do list. Don't lose sleep. These are all those little niggling tasks that you want to take care of, but that don't need to take up time in achieving your goals. Drop off that dry cleaning, make your dentist appointment, write it down, and get it done. Then the planner works very simply. Daily pages, priorities, your intention. End of the month, you can take all of those daily pages and give yourself a rating. How did you do? What did you do well? What do you want to make sure you accomplish next month? Our very, very favorite part of this planner is really probably Dr. Kristen Race's favorite part too, making sure that you have a moment to be grateful. So in the back of this beautiful planner, it includes beautiful postcards. So you can remember somebody that's had an impact on you this month and say thank you. Designed for 90 days at a time, the Master Your Life Planner sets achievable goals, and of course refills are available to start anytime.